Hi, Gendr. Hi. What are you doing here? Nothing, just I'm passing the time. Actually, today my father scolded me and hit me and said, "Go from here. You are good for nothing." Why did he say that? Say like this? Actually, I was reading book and my father had been saying for a quite some time, for a long time, that go and do household chores, just like getting water and doing small small things, and I kept avoiding. So he got annoyed and he started yelling at me and took his slippers out and threw on me. Oh, sorry. Okay, that's okay. you know uh, Everyone's father do does like this. Okay, so don't worry. uh, just have patience and just convince him and do your work. What are you doing? Okay, yeah. So what about you? In my life, Yogendra, I am very happy, but I did graduation, but I'm looking for a job. I'm not getting anywhere, and I don't have money much so that I can pursue further. So just I think that what should I do and where should I do and where how can I get a job? Yogendra, you should download a app and that will help you to get a job. Which type of applications you are saying? You know, Joe Stocks. Yeah, download that app and you will get job. Okay, I will do that. But how do you know that application? Actually, I am learning English. So one day I was going to market and I was on my way. I met I met one of my friend who suggested that you should learn English and asked me that do you have a phone? I said, yeah, I have phone. So okay, go and search on Play Store and you will find these applications and learn English. Okay, and then you will get job easily. And right there, I searched and I found these applications and installed in my phone. And since then, I have been learning English. And today, I have done better. I have got I have I'm doing better. And okay, thanks for your suggestion. See you later.